This is a Carolift 40 in a Mercedes C-Class. So open the boot, it's like this. To fold the hoist out, you just need to lift the arm, let it slide in a little bit, it was slightly out, and it's got a gas strut that assists it. And then that's it locked in. And you've got an up and a down. Take the tension. Just ease the chair out to the edge. And at this bit, you just need to watch the rubber seal. Just lift the wheels out. Take it up to there. And then you just need to guide it out. That. And then disconnect it like that, and then you would take that part off. I'll put it back in just to show you. So you wrap that round there. There's some Velcro that holds that together. Pop that down. Carabiner there, take the tension, and then you just stop it swinging in towards the car, and don't go past the stitching, just take it up to there, and then you can sort of manoeuvre it in. It wants to sort of go in like that, and once it's in there, just start taking it down a little bit. Need to push that wheel in a little bit. Put it out a bit, and then just push the chair in into about there, because you're going to fold the hoist arm down. So just about there, and there's a release catch here. And at this point, you might need to just slide that out a little bit like that. To get that. So I've just slid that out, that amount, just to get it able to fold down. And that's it.